Good afternoon. Welcome to daily currency update from the currency desk. On Wednesday, we saw the Indian rupee trade largely sideways. We saw a stronger opening for the Indian rupee, but as the day progressed, there was a higher pressure on the Indian rupee. At the end of the day, we saw the Indian rupee close weaker marginally by around 2 paise. Mainly, the pressure on Indian rupee yesterday was on account of defense related payments to be made, and due to this we had strong dollar buying from the public banks. Again, what provided support to the Indian rupee at lower levels was the fact that we had strong equity inflows from the foreign institutional investors. According to BSE provisional data, we had around $180 million worth of inflows just on Wednesday. Again, today in the morning session, we had a stronger opening for the Asian equity markets, and as the day progressed, we had a positive gain for the domestic equity markets as well. So based on this, we can expect the Indian rupee to strengthen as the day progresses. Again, what remains a concern for the Indian rupee is the recent gold imports that have increased to a great extent. We had around 100 tons worth of gold imports in April. This is mainly being attributed to the fact that we had a fall in gold prices in the month of April. Again, in this month, a similar increase in imports is expected. So based on this, RBI is speculated to come out with a policy wherein it will curb or restrict the gold imports to only the manufacturers of gold jewelry or certain end users who require it. So if such policy gets finalized and announced, it would be a positive for the Indian rupee. We expect the dollar against the Indian rupee to largely remain sideways in the range of 54.30 to 53.80 levels in the spot. Coming to euro, the euro is trading strong against the US dollar and against all the other global currency pairs. Against Indian rupee as well, we are seeing some very smart gains for the euro. This is mainly on the back of strong economic data. Yesterday we had the German industrial production data, which came in much better than expected, and this was just a day after we had a very strong factory production orders data for the German economy. So based on such positive data, we saw the euro rally to a session high against the US dollar. Similar impact was seen against the Indian rupee as well. Again, there is some carry trade gains for the euro as all the traders look to exit from pound to euro, at least temporarily, as we have the Bank of England policy statement decision today. Markets are expected to take cues from the economic report which is on a monthly basis and is due to be released today. We could see the Euro INR rally and extend its current gains up to 71.78 levels in the spot. Coming to pound, the pound has gained a lot in the recent days, but it had a minor setback yesterday and the last few days based on the expectations that the Bank of England could increase its monetary easing program. But there are no such expectations are not coming true, and there has been no indication from the Bank of England regarding any monetary easing increase in the near term. Today we have the Bank of England interest rate or the policy decision. There is not much expectations from the same, except for a fact that we could see a hawkish stance being announced by the Bank of England. As we have a couple of positive data today in the afternoon session, which was in the form of manufacturing data and industrial production data for the UK economy, came in much better than expected. So further decrease could be seen in the expectations of increase in monetary easing program. So we expect the current rally in pound to extend up till 85 levels in the spot. Coming to Japanese yen, the Japanese yen is largely expected to remain unchanged. There are no major triggers for the yen as of today, and in the near term there is no major data from the US front as well. So largely we could see the yen trading sideways or lackluster. Again, it would be better if you could trade in the crosses of Euro JPY or Pound JPY, as we could see the movement in the Euro and Pound have an impact on these cross rates. Today, the Japanese yen against Indian rupee is expected to track the US dollar against the Indian rupee movement largely, and it would largely remain sideways. Thank you.